Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we're diving into how to write a professional and impactful recommendation letter. Recommendation letters are often crucial for job applications, academic admissions, or other opportunities, and knowing how to craft one effectively can make a real difference. I'll guide you step by step through a detailed example, ensuring you understand what to include, why it matters, and how to present it in a polished, professional manner. Let's get started. Sender information. We begin with the sender's information, which should be clearly presented at the top of the letter. This includes your full name, job title, organization or company name, address, email address, and phone number. For instance, the example template starts with your full name, your job title, your organization/company name. This information establishes your credibility as the recommender and ensures the recipient can easily contact you for follow-up. Make sure to use your professional details here, as this sets the tone for the letter. Date. Next is the date, placed right after your information. Use the format most appropriate for your location, but remember to set the date 2 months ahead of today for tutorial consistency. For example, if today is January 3rd, the date should be written as March 3rd, 2025. The date is vital as it provides context for when the letter was written. Recipient details. After the date, include the recipient's information. This should feature their name, job title, if applicable, organization or company name, and address. If you don't know the exact recipient, you can address it to a general title, such as to whom it may concern. Using the recipient's details shows professionalism and demonstrates that you've tailored the letter specifically for the intended purpose. Subject line. The subject line is a concise summary of the letter's purpose. For example, subject. Recommendation for candidate's full name. This immediately informs the recipient of the letter's intent and ensures clarity, especially if they handle multiple applications or correspondence. Salutation. The salutation marks the start of the letter. If you know the recipient's name, address them formally, such as "Dear recipient's name." If the name isn't available, a neutral salutation like "To whom it may concern" works. This step sets the tone and signals respect. Introduction. Your relationship with the candidate. The first paragraph introduces the candidate and your relationship with them. For instance, the template begins with, "I am pleased to write this letter of recommendation for candidate's full name. I have had the privilege of knowing candidate's name for duration of your relationship." This opening establishes your authority to recommend the candidate and provides context for your perspective. Highlighting the nature of your relationship, whether as a supervisor, professor, or colleague, adds credibility and frames the rest of the letter. Highlighting professional qualities and achievements. In the second paragraph, focus on the candidate's skills and achievements. Mention specific examples that illustrate their abilities, such as, in their role as specific role, candidate's name demonstrated exceptional mention-specific qualities. For example, specific accomplishment or anecdote. By including concrete examples, you provide evidence of their capabilities, which makes your recommendation more compelling. This is where you should elaborate on their technical skills, problem-solving abilities, or other professional strengths that align with the opportunity they're pursuing. Soft skills and personal qualities. The third paragraph emphasizes the candidate's soft skills and character. Qualities like integrity, work ethic, or adaptability can be highlighted here. For instance, candidate's name is also known for their mention quality. They consistently describe behavior. Soft skills are just as important as professional achievements because they speak to the candidate's ability to collaborate, lead, and thrive in various environments. This section ensures the recipient gets a well-rounded view of the candidate. Endorsement and closing the recommendation. In the final body paragraph, clearly endorse the candidate for the specific role or opportunity. For example, based on their skills, achievements, and personal qualities, I have no doubt that candidate's name will be an asset to the role. This reaffirms your confidence in the candidate's abilities and aligns your recommendation with the goals of the application. Be specific about why you believe they will succeed, as this leaves a strong impression. Invitation for follow-up. Before concluding, invite the recipient to contact you for further discussion. For instance, Please feel free to contact me at your email address or your phone number if you require further information. This gesture of openness adds to your credibility and shows your commitment to supporting the candidate. Thank you in closing. Thank the recipient for their time and consideration, then sign off with a formal closing, such as sincerely. For example, thank you for considering my recommendation. I look forward to seeing candidates' name thrive in their new opportunity. This leaves a positive, lasting impression. So that's how you craft a strong recommendation letter. By following this structure and using clear, specific examples, you can create a letter that truly supports the candidate and showcases their strengths. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more confident in writing recommendation letters. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more writing tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.